Yeah, hello traders, it's me here with you, bring you a new content. Let me hope that you can see me and also listen from me as well. Yeah, nice to be back to you again. I'm actually recording at night right now. There's no electricity and also my internet is somehow poor. Yeah, um, our electric unit is done, so I'll need to get some money and buy. Yeah, let me show you. You can see up there the bulb. Up there the bulb is dormant, it's not functioning. Let's check on the switch. Yeah, you can also see the switch for out and in, no power, completely no power. Yeah, but other people they have in their houses in the area, and I'm using this bulb that I got from a friend. It's just placed right on the box. Yeah, I bought it from a friend, and probably after using I will have to take it back. It is super late right now. I think it is 1 a.m. Yep, but I'm making this content because I love you, and I'm also a hard-working person. Yeah, I don't sleep really. I rarely sleep at night, but I wake up early in the morning and go work. What do I do? I'm a border man in Uganda. For those who know the Ugandan ways or system, I'm a border man, and here's the key of my motorbike. Yeah, here's the key. Daytime I go work, nighttime I'm somehow trading, and yeah, and weekends I work fully because the market is down. But there are some night pairs that I normally trade, and also sometimes during the time on weekdays, if there's market opportunity, I enter my trade in the morning, and I reduce the risk. Or even sometimes I put in break even and then I go work. But remember, I'm not yet profitable, okay, in trading. As in, I'm still on demo, yeah, and I've been trading since 2022 November. Still not profitable. Mm, Actually, I cannot say I'm not profitable. It's hard to tell because if I'm trading on demo, I can move $1,000 to $1,100 plus, even to 200 as a profit on demo. But the main challenge is capital. Yeah, uh, because the board I'm riding, it is actually a loan. I got it on loan, and honestly, I'm not playing a joke here. And every month I give them a lot of money, and I don't have savings. Yeah, I'll show you the bike one day. It is an electric bike, Spyro Vio. Yeah, um, but I'm soon finishing, so I think after the loan, then I'll be able to get some capital. But for now, there was a day I put $10, but it was so emotional, and I was trading live. I could make some profit, but I could see the account draining. I remember from $10, my account went up to $4. So, and I was really broke. I was like, why am I losing the money that I can't afford to lose? So I had to withdraw the $4, and I used it for paying rent because that was the money I was supposed to give in for rent. I removed some part of the rent, and then I put in account, and then but after withdrawing I had to put it back. Yeah, and then looked for the balance, and I was able to pay the landlord. Yeah. So for now, I don't have money, but I want to get money and then I start to trade live. And I know I can really make it. I tried some $10. I think the highest account I've ever tried were $10 account, but I want to put $100 because a $10 account, it's really small. It gives you no time to breathe, as in you have to be very careful and the type of trades or the type of setup to take, and you don't have much trades as well, and you're afraid to take some opportunities because you want an A plus setups, but eventually because of some mistakes, emotion, psychology, yeah, you end up losing the trade. You end up losing the account, but I am working on that. Yeah, I'm working on that. I'm tired of demo. I want to leave demo and now focus on live account. Even if I blow, I'm able to finance it. I'm able to finance the account. By the way, in the slum here, I really want to move. I tell you, my only hope is on Forex. Yeah, my only hope is on Forex. After finishing my loan, I will be able to, yeah, to be able to get some capital and trade. Yeah, even if it's small, $100, $200, I will be able to afford that. But for now, I can't afford it. Um, and also here, actually, where I live here in the slum, we have challenges of power, internet. The network here is so bad because I put my own internet, and just the location is not good. And also water is quite far. So if you want to shower or drink water, you see like my drinking water is already here. Is here. I've put it in that jerrycan, and it is a well water. I don't take tap waters. I take only well water. Well water here is quite safer. Yeah, because I can't also afford to boil it, but it's only the tap water that I use it for showering. I have some tap water there in those jerrycans. I hope you can see them. Yeah, that is the tap water, and it's far. You have to go really off your compound. You have to go really off your compound to actually get. Yeah, and that's not what I really want. I've put all my hope in Forex, and I believe God is not sleeping. He will remember me one day. Um, and and I have really lived in this place for really long. Also, I want to leave as soon as possible, but I cannot just leave. I just have to plan and first work and save money for another house. Yeah, and also buy a laptop for trading, because I had a laptop, but I sold it to get a smartphone. My smartphone one day was stolen, and I spent really some good months without making contents and also trading. So I had to sell a laptop so that I can buy a smartphone, and I did, because with laptop there was nowhere to put in SIM card, and also my internet, um, MiFi also got some software issues. So a smartphone was the only best way to go. So I had to get rid of the laptop, and then I got a smartphone, and it's the one I'm using now. Yep. So I've been here since 2022 in the slum here, but one day I'll move. So today I took some trade, and I want you I want to share with you what I did, and also how the trade is moving. Today I've been home all day, and I've been doing some trading, but it couldn't hit my take profit. It could just get in the middle and then go back, and I could just close it. Remember to close the trade. If the trade is reversing against you, or you're in a drawdown, as in a small loss, remember to close it as soon as possible, and then you wait for the next setup in different pair or different session, or tomorrow. Yeah, but today I took several trades in different pairs, but all of them never hit my take profit. But there's only one trade running right now. Let us jump in the chart and we see. I downloaded the TradingView app. I've been using before I was using the website, but now let us go on the app and we see. I think app is much more easier and better to use. For me, I normally start from bigger time frame. Yes, let me get off that 1 minute stuff. I don't know if it's off, but it's still on. So let us see on weekly. Let us start from weekly. On a weekly time frame, this is actually how it is. Yeah. I believe that the price will come up to this level. Yeah, because it is actually saying that it is a downtrend. As you can see, it is coming. Yeah, it is sloping down here, and then I marked this level, but let me add another level up here. This level here. On a high time frame, you should mark out your level, which could even be the point of interest, because the price could move up to that level at any time. And then daily time frame, what is happening? It is still downtrend. Okay, then let us see on 4 hour. On 4 hour, now this is when things can be clearly seen a little bit. Yep. And then we were on 4 hours. Let us go on 2 hours. You see, 2 hours, things are also much more clearer. This trade, I have put it on break even already, because this is night. I'm going to sleep. I don't know what can happen at night. And then from 4 hour, let us now, it was not 4 hour, it was there's 2 hours. Yep, on 2 hours, I think this one I have to move it up there. Yeah, so 2 hours, you can see the trend is strong and clear. And because me, I trade following the trend. Yep. So all of this trade has been moving downtrend for a long time, for so long. And then on 1 hour, let us expand it. You can see things start now coming more clearer. But I think this trade will move, and then it will stop here. This would be its take profit. It will come up to this level, and then it will probably bounce back. That is my anticipation. Yeah, and then it will bounce back. It will really come, and I think I should adjust my TP on 15 minutes. It is, yeah. That is what is known as top-down analysis. And then, was it 15 minutes? No. 4 hours, 2 hours, we are done. 1 hour. Let's see on 1 hour. I think also 1 hour we are done in 45 minutes. Yeah, and then we have 30 minutes because my entry was on 30 minutes. Yeah, this is how it is. And my take profit, my stop loss is quite high, and also I've put red on break even. So what I should do, this trade was on 1:2. It was on 1:2, but I think I should just add bring this here, but unfortunately it's going to be 1:1. Yeah, because if I leave my my TP in the other place, the trade may reach in this level here. The trade may reach in this level, and then it actually doesn't hit my take profit. So I think I'll just leave it there. Let us go on 25, and then we also adjust. Yeah, 69.801.801. Yeah, so it is also in break even, as you can see here, and this trade is playing, and I believe that's going to hit take profit. However much the risk to reward ratio was small. Trader, if you have liked the content, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, and also let's pray that one day God will remember me and I will leave this place and give me a better house, and also make me be successful in Forex like just any other regular profitable traders out there. Yeah. I'll see you in the next content. Good night and bye.